You just found the 2025 Chevrolet Colorado. The Colorado packs fuel efficiency, creature comforts, and can-do capabilities into a midsize pickup that's fun and easy to drive, whether you're in the city or on the worksite. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, adaptive cruise control, sunroof, premium sound system, lane keeping assist. The Colorado takes care of business without sacrificing comfort and convenience. Take it out for a drive and see for yourself.